By default, records appear in the order that they were entered or imported into your database. The same is true of related records. By default, they're returned by the relationship in the order that they were created or added to the related table. So, for example, here in the parent table, the record for George appears first, then for Maida, then Veronique, because the records are unsorted, and that happens to be the order in which the records were created. Similarly, in the portal, Josie appears before Kelly because over in the child table, Josie was entered as the second record and Kelly as the third. Sometimes, however, it's appropriate to present records in a different order, and when it comes to related records, you'll need a way to sort them. Actually, there are two alternative ways when it comes to records showing in a portal. One is to simply apply a sort at the level of the relationship. So, for example, in this case, if I go to the relationship to the child table, and on the side that's indicating the child table occurrence, at the bottom of the Edit Relationship dialog, there's a checkbox labelled Sort Records. When I click on the checkbox, I'm presented with the Sort Records dialog, and I can choose the order that the records should appear. Now, the number field in this case, in the child table, holds the age of each child, and so if I select the number field, double-click to bring it across into the sort order, and then choose Descending Order, with these settings, the relationship will return the related records with the oldest child first and then on down to the youngest. So I'm clicking OK to exit, and sure enough you can see that Kelly's record is appearing now above Josie's record because, of course, Kelly is older than Josie. So now, by whatever means records are accessed from the child table, they'll be returned in sorted order, from the eldest to the youngest. However, there's an alternative way to accomplish much the same effect in relation to a portal. First, let me disable sorting for the child table occurrence. Now you can see the records are back in creation order. And in layout mode, I'll double-click on the portal to bring up the portal setup dialog, and you can see that there's a Sort Portal Records option within the portal setup. So here, I might apply the same sort, that is, number field in descending order. And now, sure enough, the records in the portal are again sorted in descending order by age. In this case, the first related record is still the first record that was created, and only within the portal are the records being presented in descending order by age. Of course, it's possible to apply a sort at the relationship level and also at the portal level. And if you do that, the sort at the relationship level will be overridden by the portal sort to determine the order of records as they appear within the portal. But for all other purposes, the sort order defined at the relationship level will apply.